So, good morning. Still morning, right? Right. It's cold out. So we're doing this. So, options, right? So I take some water jugs, a couple of 2.5 gallon water jugs. All right. Then, and that's just for using to clean dishes, myself, anything around the campsite. It's not my drinking water. I'll take a gallon or two of bottled spring water for my drinking water and for cooking. Then I'll get fresh at the grocery store the day before I go. So that would be my drinking water. And, these are still sanitary enough. If I just fill it up in my kitchen sink or something, yes, I could drink that for a few days. It's not a problem either. And then here's a 7 gallon container. Okay. So between the three, there's 12 gallons. Okay. Two and a halves and the seven gives you 12 gallons. And the whole idea is we're talking about options. If I need to take that extra water or want to use that extra water instead, the camp shower. Okay. Or possibly this. Now, what's this? I don't even know. It says Sunakie on it, and that's about it. And let's just see what this is. I mean, pretty sure I know what it is. I'm pretty sure I know what it is because I ordered all this stuff. This stuff isn't just something somebody has sent me or anything. I'm not doing this as any things are sponsored or anything, by a company. We're doing them for our own knowledge. So let's see what we have here. Okay, what is this? What is this? Here, see if we can do this. Let's set this down back here. We got this in this box. This thing, I don't know what that is. Oh my goodness, huh? What is that? Yes. Look, there's a couple of rubber tubes here. And then this. Okay, that's what was in the box. So, let's see what we have. Let's see what we have going on here. Okay, this is user manual here. The Sunakie steam sauna. Oh my gosh. Okay, so, ooh, you know what this is? This must be the floor. And here's some extra plastic for I don't know exactly what yet. But this here looks like a pop-up sauna tent. Okay. That's exactly what that is. Look at this. There's a pop-up sauna tent in here. And if I'm not mistaken, this is a camp chair. This is a camp chair. And so the whole idea is you pop the sauna tent together. Let's take a look. Yep, that's the camp chair that comes with it. So this is a set here. Camp chair. Okay. Pop-up sauna. And that's what it's going to look like. Okay. So now this here must be what makes it the sauna. The heater, if I'm not mistaken, when I ordered it, it's a steam sauna. And that's why I got it. Totally different than all the others that I've seen. And I'm going to leave the wood burning stove in the tent. I didn't get the one that we put rocks on it and stuff to put in the sauna. Okay, but let's see here. Oh, look, there's a handle on it. Okay, look at that. That's it right there. So, what's this here? I don't know, a fogging temperature timer. So I'm not sure exactly again how to use this yet. Here's a remote control. There's a remote control for my sauna. Okay. Now the whole idea is, and the reason I got this one, I'm not sure how it all works yet. I believe the hose goes on here like this because that's where it comes out, and then it goes in the sauna tent, and this produces a steam instead of just heat like some of the other saunas and stuff. This is going to be a steam sauna, and this is called a steamer. Okay. Will automatically power off when the water inside dries up. It'll restart 20 minutes later. Okay, different things here. We're going to find out. So, the package contents: the sauna tent cover, okay, and the mat that goes underneath, and a chair. Then you have a steam box, the steamer, steam tube, carrying bag, and then a plastic bag, it says here. I don't know what for. Anyway, so there you go. So, isn't that going to be an option? We're going to see how well that performs. Also, I actually have a sauna in my house. In my bedroom, I have an infrared sauna, and I'm having a Nordic background, and so it's something of heritage. I like to take saunas, and I have a whole lot. So anyway, yeah, we're going to see how this works at the campsite. Thanks. I'm excited.